Good afternoon. This is Harshit, your tech host for today. Let's start this week with all that is new in this emerging tech world. Asus unveils three new Chromebook CX models in India: Chromebook CX15, Chromebook CX14, and Chromebook Flip 14 CX14. All feature FHD resolution with LED backlit anti-glare panels. Display specifications: 220 nits brightness and 45% anti-FC color gamut. Powered by Intel Celeron and 4500 processor and Intel UHD graphics 600. Chromebook Flip 14 CX14 has a 14-inch touchscreen that flips backward. CX14 and CX15 sports 14-inch and 15.6-inch screens respectively. Next up we have Honor teases its return to the Indian smartphone market, speculated as Honor 90. Amazon confirms Honor 90's availability upon launch via dedicated microsite. Phone features quad curved screen, 1.5K display resolution, 1600 nits peak brightness, and DCI-P3 coverage. Incorporates 3840Hz dimming feature to combat eye strain. The device will operate on Magic OS 7.1 based on Android 13 OS. Official launch date remains undisclosed. Samsung cancels Exynos 2300 chipset codenamed Quadra before mass production. Tipster @Revangus shares news on Twitter, reasons behind decision not revealed. Performance rumored to rival Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Exynos 2300 benchmarked against predecessors Exynos 2100 and Snapdragon 888. Google's Tensor G3 might be a modified version of Exynos 2300. Exynos 2300's GPU performance remains a mystery. Google to launch Pixel 8 and 8 Pro on 4 October during Made by Google event. European prices, storage variants and color options leaked. Pixel 8 will have storage options 128 GB and 256 GB, prices inclusive of 23% VAT. Color variants for Pixel 8: Hazel, Obsidian, Rose and Mint. Previous rumors have already hinted at phone specifications. Official confirmation expected during launch event. Next up we have Vivo announces price cuts for Vivo Y36 and Y02T in India. Vivo Y36 now available at Rs 15,999 rupees, 1000 cashback for select bank card users till 30 September. Vivo Y02T price dropped to Rs 9,499 from its original Rs 9,999. Both phones are available on Amazon India and Vivo's official online store. Vivo Y36 initially priced at Rs 16,999 upon June release. Devices cater to the budget-friendly segment in India. Zomato Limited launches Zomato AI for enhanced customer experience. Uses AI for personalization, understanding dietary preferences and moods. Currently available for Zomato Gold customers on the updated app version. Advanced from typical chatbots, designed as a user-focused companion, features a multi-agent framework for diverse capabilities and tasks. Sets itself apart with unique personalization and intuitive design. At last, at IFA in Berlin, Techno showcases a rollable screen concept smartphone, Phantom Ultimate. Different from foldables, it features an expandable display from one side. Single drive motor system unrolls display, converting 6.55-inch phone to 7.1-inch in 1.3 seconds. Boasts an LTPO AMOLED display with 2296 into 1596 pixel resolution. 100% DCI-P3 color gamut ensures vibrant visuals. Device previewed in an official video demonstrating its unique features. Event continues till 5 September with more product announcement expected. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news.
हमारे अकाउंट में अगर गलती से भी 10,000 रुपए आ जाए तो कितना बड़ा अमाउंट लगता है। यही एक बात आती है हमारे एक बहुत ही बड़े नोबल कॉलेज की, जो है आईआईटी बॉम्बे, जहाँ पे इनको मिला एक डोनेशन 160 करोड़ का, जो कि एनोनिमस है। इतना बड़ा अमाउंट कोई रियली ही डोनेट करता है और एनोनिमसली। रिसेंटली इन्फोसिस के को फाउंडर ने 315 करोड़ रुपए दिए थे आईआईटी बॉम्बे को, ताकि वो अपनी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और सारी चीजों पे काम कर पाए। ये जो एनोनिमस डोनेशन है, इसके पीछे का राज जानने के लिए पार्ट 2 कमेंट जरूर करिएगा, ताकि हम भी इसके बारे में और रिसर्च करके आपको बता पाए। टिल देन फॉलो आईटी शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर।